Just bounce a little bit.
There you go. Just bounce a little bit. Sit in the middle. Sit in the middle a little more, Ma. Here they come.
Get your hands in and your feet.
Oh my God.
Oh, backwards!
Help Grammy up. Help her out of it.
Huh?
You're supposed to help her out.
Oh, get out of here! That was cool. I don't want to do that again.
You got one more in you, Grammy?
Yeah, but we gotta go forward. What happened? That we turned around?
It goes any way it wants to go.
That was scary going backwards.
You did good, Ma. Proud of you.
All right, one more time.
I'll
protect you.
Go ahead, go that way. Out of here. You did good, Mom.
Yeah. My life flashed before me.